All right, guys, we are here today with the world's best mountain boarder. What's your name?
Dylan Warren.
And I have a challenge for Mr. Dylan Warren.
What is it, Aaron Kyro?
Backflip the car.
What?
Stop.
Crikey.
Crikey, mate!
What do you think this is?
Let's set up the ramps.
How'd I do?
Don't worry, Azza got it, mate.
Well, if he's jumping off it, he doesn't need to put too much weight
he's
on it.
landing on it.
Oh, you're landing on this?
Yeah.
Based on the physics of it, it all depends on the speed. Because if he's going 13 miles an hour at a wind speed of 14 miles an hour this way and he lands, then the actual pressure down will only be 37.3 degrees of pressure, which will put the PSI at 14 inches down the ramp.
Well, don't you have to flip it around?
Yeah, he's gonna jump, he's gonna go that way.
Just because I won't be able to see with the sun.
Sick, come on now. Oops, look at this. Crikey, mate. It's always something wrong right when you're about to get your bang danga on and you get wanged.
Like an English-Australian hybrid accent.
You can pull the car up.
Pull the car up, put your car under there, Cruz. Well, my car's gotta get him going because I got the fastest car in the lot.
Oh, Nigel could tow in.
Okay, you want me to pull the Prius up? You think I'm scared? Just pull it up. So we're out here and we're like, this landing ramp is pretty sketch. So he just puts one piece of wood. Look at that. That's it. That's how we're gonna run it?
Tough as nails, mate. Have a look.
Oh yeah, good eyes, mate. You're right, mate. All right, mate, let's run it, mate.
Good what?
Good eyes, mate.
Good ass, mate. That's drip top.
Some good eyes.
Wait, what's that other word you taught me yesterday? Oh, you're running this side too. Okay, so we got one reinforcement there, two reinforcement there, put the car in the middle, and then,
Where's the swimming pool?
I don't know how. Doesn't make any sense, but I'm fine.
we put the swim pool in the middle? Just jump like super high straight into the pool? That actually sounds epic.
Put a piece of wood up there, skate light. Yeah.
It's been a while since we've had this set up. I think it was a different Prius the last time, though.
Nah.
Oh, you're going that one?
Yeah.
Hey, shut up!
Help me out, boys.
Yeah, he's getting towed. He's getting towed in with the car.
That's sketchy.
Appreciate your faith in me. Should we try it without the car first?
Yeah, we should, right? I mean, I don't care if you hit the car. Wait, no, there's a pre.
If you would like to go to Aaron Kyro's house.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below. We're just not smart.
That's what I need.
When they used to do those old school skateboard demos, they'd roll up with something like this. Jump ramp. So good.
Now what do you do?
You skated one before?
Not like that.
Skateboarding's gone downhill.
Literally.
This is real. Shout out Evel Knievel if you ever watch Evel Knievel. Real one.
All right, here we are. We've set up the mega ramp of doom here in the Braille car park. And we're gonna try and jump it on the mountain board. But the thing with a mountain board is that you need some sort of hill.
Mountain.
Yeah, it's in the name. Yeah. So we don't have a mountain here, so we've got this beautiful BMW instead.
So we could call it a cardboard.
It's cardboarding.
Cardboard.
It's cardboard.
Cardboard mate.
Life!
Good idea, bad idea, or fantastic idea?
This is a fantastic idea. Anytime it's like, oh, we're gonna jump the car, I'm in.
You won't even notice if you just go sit down there.
No, exactly. But I gotta get those angles.
All right, Gabe, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna try my best to clear the jump of doom.
As a wise man once said, sleep is for the weak.
Exactly.
Exactly what you said this morning.
Yeah.
I believe you said.
No, he said sleep is for the weak, and I said sleep is for the smart.
Yeah, that's right.
Aaron, I think he is gonna go way too fast.
You think?
Yeah.
No, I think they were talking about it and they get the speed kind of dialed.
Oh, yeah, that was good speed.
That's what I was saying. I feel like this is his wheelhouse.
Oh! No!
No, that's fine. He's a mountain boarder.
Bang! Oh, whoa!
What do you give me to jump it this way?
I'll buy you 5 of the largest Jamba Juices. Okay. It was nice knowing you, Aaron! Ah! Woo!
Yeah, this is pretty fast. Oh, you jumped it back.
Oh!
Why did I not film that?
Oh my god.
Oh. Shit.
Ew!
We got the shot?
You got the shot.
All right, knuckle me, please. All right, so we've done the 360, we've done the backflip. There's only one thing left to do here, ladies and gentlemen, and that is to hopefully jump over Aaron Kyro's Prius.
So the thing is, I just got to see this gap though, because when you put the car in there, it's like twice as big.
Yeah, it does.
We just got to go another 5 miles per hour faster.
Yeah,
Is that sketch?
I think we need to make it bigger.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Imagine if I land on the roof of Aaron Kyro's Prius.
It's happened before.
It's happened before? That right there fits like a glove.
I'll just leave my window down in case it comes up a bit short, we won't break it, you know? I don't need to get blipped out here.
Are you worried at all about your vehicle?
No. The Prius is on its way out, brother.
Whoa!
Made it with ease.
Hit the backy, mate.
The backy, mate. All right, so we jumped the car. The speed's pretty good. I think I went probably too fast, and now I think I might try and backflip the Prius. Hybrid theory.
Yeah!
Dang, I nailed that filming.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah. We did it, Rick. Oh, yes. That's how we do it down under, baby.
Bro, what were
Yeah.
you thinking up there?
I was trying to think of nothing. Just
Yeah?
be one with the nature.
Yeah.
You won with the Prius?
Be one with the Prius.
He just full send. That was the full definition of full send. Every time I ever try to do a backflip on a snowboard or anything, the second I get upside down, I start going like this. Ah!
Oh my God. Hey,
Yeah.
if you guys want to see Aaron Kyro do a backflip on a mountain board, leave it in the comments. Maybe a challenge for the end of the year. Hey, Azza? Come on, Azza.
He did say if I would actually ride the mountain board, he would send me one of his pro models. Right here, shout out, mountain boards.
MBS mountain boards.
Let's go.
If you guys want to get one, send me a message on Instagram. Radical Face.
All right, well, thanks for coming
Thanks
out and
for
killing it.
Thanks for having me, man. It was a lot of fun.
Was it fun or was that scary? Because
It
I
was
was
fun.
terrified the whole time.
Sometimes, you know, it's good to scare yourself. You feel alive.
No, actually, I saw the look on his face. He was like, this is easy. This is no problem. This is like what I do all day long. All right, so we're gonna make some rad videos with Radical Face. If you have not seen all of them, go watch them right now. Check out all of the videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. That's why we're out here, so you can learn to ride a skateboard.
And even a mountain board. You!